Hi, I'm Simon Mole and I'm a poet. Back in March, I was all set for an exciting 2020. I was taking my first children's book to schools and literary festivals around the country. I had a UK tour booked for my kids' theatre show. I'd even been made a National Poetry Day ambassador. But then, lockdown. All tours and festivals cancelled, all schools shut, bookshops closed. At a difficult time for everyone, it felt more important than ever to stay positive, to stay connected. And as a dad myself, I quickly realised there was going to be loads of families looking for fun, creative activities to try at home. So I started offering free poetry workshops online every week. I was blown away by the response. We had children joining from Beckenham to Barbados, and our little creative community was having a real impact. As well as becoming increasingly confident writers and performers, I saw these children become poets in a way that runs deeper than putting pen to paper. Looking closely and creatively at the world, sharing thoughts and opinions, listening to others, growing together. I want that sense of ownership and community to build. So we're back, and we're bringing the poetry vibes here on Patreon. It's important to me that the workshops stay free for those families that need them to be. So if you can afford to pay a small monthly fee, you'll be supporting me to make that happen. As well as bringing poetry into your own home, you'll be bringing it into other homes too. Even if you don't have young poets coming to the workshop, you can still help make all this happen. With just a small contribution, let's change the world. One poem at a time.